So I picked up this Atomi smart heater on Amazon the other day. It's about 120 bucks. It's pretty amazing. I've had it in the shop for about 24 hours. It's cold. It's 60 degrees in here. And it's definitely getting chillier as the months go on, or as the days go on. But I got this the other day. I like the fact that I can use it on the Wi-Fi and I can connect it to Google or Alexa, and I can just say, "Hey Alexa, turn on the heater," and it turns it on, which is really cool. Now, the only thing so far that I don't like about it is the filter in the back. Seems a little flimsy, but other than that, I would definitely recommend this for small spaces as well as big spaces, just to kind of cut that edge off. So.